Hi, welcome to Lubbinails. How nice that you wanted to stop by. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love patterns and like to push the boundaries in the nail world. I came across a pattern today and got a thought. Can you make a nail design just by using a pattern? I thought I'd test this theory today. Are you curious about how it turned out? Just keep on watching. The base is painted with 2 layers of the beige color. I have cured the nail between each layer. Then, I paint a black line in the middle of the nail. With the different pastel colors, I will create a pattern that will resemble a mosaic pattern. I will create the mosaic pattern on the right side of the nail. To prevent the colors from mixing, you have to apply one color at a time and cure. Repeat the pattern all the way until you have covered the entire nail on the right side with different colors and shapes. To make the pattern pop, we will paint outlines with the color black on the shapes. The shapes I have used are triangle and rectangle. After we paint with the outline, we cure the nail. I usually cure the nail twice to ensure that the color is dry before I apply matte top coat. By doing this, you avoid the design getting smudged with matte top coat. I have already started to place the same technique on this nail that I did on the previous one. The pattern you do is the same, except now we are going to place the pattern on the entire nail, and when we are done, we will cure the nail. Before we start to contour the shapes too, get our pattern. When painting or making patterns, I think the best way you can lift the design is to apply a matte top coat. What do you think? On this nail, we will apply the pattern all the way down the nail, and the easiest way to do it is by creating a French manicure. But instead of having soft lines, we will have straight lines to make it easier to create the pattern we are aiming for. Of course, you can have soft lines if you want. Do what feels best for you if you choose to recreate this nail design. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Now we have come to the last nail of the nail design. Here, I wanted the base to be emphasized more on the nail design itself. Therefore, I have chosen to apply the pattern on the corner and to divide the nail. Paint a black diagonal line on the nail. Otherwise, it is easy for the pattern to take over the entire nail design, and we don't want that, do we? When it comes to creating different patterns, you often just have to follow the path and trust the progress. What did you think of today's video? I hope you learned something new, and if so, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'm here to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.